tässäkin Espoossa pysyy uusimman niin
Laukkarinne 3.
Stakes B turned 35 years old in last year, 2020. And the serial number is H64095. The capacity is 4 persons or 305 and it's going to be inspected in the next year, 2022. And it's an impossible residential building because the code is impossible. Unlike for here.
Yeah.
It's a bit slow, but still amazing. There should have been a big waiter here also.
Yeah.
I think they were going to the washing room or
Yeah.
laundry room.
Yeah. Is one ready then?
Let's see if it's somebody there or not.
Yeah.
But if not, then yes, we can take a second ride because it was horribly difficult. It was impossible. It was absolutely impossible to get inside here.
Yeah.
Because I had tried here too many times.
Maintained by Kone.
Did you also see that 2 of these have been genetically modernized? I filmed them before.
Ah. No.
Yeah, I filmed them before.
Yeah.
And we have 3 important ones that we know of.
Yeah.
But then two unknown here in this district left.
Yeah.
But we will check those also.
Yeah.
First floor.
But we started at
Yeah.
lower ground.
Basement floor.
But lower ground floor because there's a door also. That's